are a superstar, then have no fear. The crowd is here and the microphone, and you don't know. It was all a dream. I used to read a World magazine, so I'm favorite and every deep in the limousine, hanging pictures on my wall. Every Saturday a rap attack, mention Magic Molly Mo. I let my teeth rock till my teeth pop, sipping on champagne, sipping on Provincetown. Way back when I had the red and black lumberjack with the hat to match. Remember rapping Duke, the hard to how you never thought that hip hop could take it this far. Now I'm in the limelight cause I'm tight. Time to get paid, go up like the World Trade. Born sinner, the opposite of it when I remember when I used to eat sardines for dinner. Round cheap, who's speaking Capri, by my left stop, by my Starsky. I'm blowing up like I thought I would. Go to the crib, same number, same hood. It sound good. And if you don't know, now you know. If you are what you say you are, a superstar, then have no fear. The crowd is here and the microphone, and you don't know. Super Nintendo, Sega Genesis. When I was them broke, man, I couldn't picture this. 50-inch screen, mine in green leather sofa. I got 2 rides, a limousine with a chauffeur. Phoned you about 2G flat. No need to worry, my account handles that. And my whole crew was lounging, celebrating every day, no more public housing. Thinking back on my Ramon shack. Now my mom thinks AC and minks on her back. And she loved to show me off, of course. Smiles every time my face is up in the sauce. We used to fuss when the landlord dissed us. No heat, wonder why Christmas missed us. First days was the worst days. Now we sip champagne when we first day. Down around I like the life I live, cause I'm from negative to positive, and it's on. Girl, if you are what you say you are, a superstar, then have no fear. The crowd is here and the microphone, and you don't know. If you are what you say you are, a superstar, then have no fear. The crowd is here and the microphone, and you don't know. And you don't know. Okay, so welcome to In Bed With Steiner and Madlaina and Sunset Suns. Question time. So first question for everyone is, what happened last night?